Who you expect it to be?
Afternoon, Shepherd.
The afternoon is good indeed.
Shepherd, is what I wear?
Clothes. Now if you're referring to me outing boot, is it me wear when me I go outing? I'm coming from a shepherd's conference. But from the other day, me mind upon you. So I had to leave that conference a little early because I need to speak to you.
1 second, Shepherd. Tonian, just go down to the bedroom, please. Push in the door. Yes, sir.
Bubbles, from the other day you have been in the vision. And it's not like say me I'm late. But me know say me, you just seem to be always in the vision. And there is another person. But the ancestors don't want to reveal that face to me just yet. Look at her Bubbles. That little girl where you hire. It look like she love to catch and listen people business. Tell him we there for me, yeah?
Yes, sir.
You know, Bubbles, I feel like a stock record when I keep telling you that you're going on a journey. But it continues because you seem to be misguided on this journey. Let me ask you a question. You love hot work?
What is it, sir?
Hot food or hot soup. Something hot. You like hot food?
No, not overly hot, sir.
That means you need not to eat your food nor your soup when it's hot. Sometimes, Bubbles, you just need to step back and make it cool.
Oh boy. I think I know what you're talking about, sir.
You see, Bubbles, unlike some of the people around you, you have a good heart. And your intentions are good also. But you're going about this business bad. So, Bubbles, sometimes you need to step back, as I did say before, and focus. Because now who can hear about death? Whatever you're focusing on and using up all them energy, top, refocus, because Bubbles, you are going to need to use that energy elsewhere. Listen to your elders.